Have you ever found yourself spiraling into a loop of negative thoughts? One minute you're fine, and the next your mind is racing with self-doubt, fears, or replaying painful memories. It feels like a storm that takes over before you even realize it's happening. Negative thoughts are normal. Every human brain produces them because the mind is wired to focus on threats and problems. It's part of our survival mechanism. But when those thoughts run on repeat, they start to shape your mood, your behavior, and even your identity. The good news: you don't have to be at the mercy of your thoughts. With the right tools, you can stop negative thinking instantly and perform what I call a quick mental reset. This reset helps you break the cycle, calm your emotions, and regain clarity within seconds or minutes. This guide will show you exactly how to do it. Before we jump into the reset techniques, let's explore what negative thoughts really are. Point 1.1 What are negative thoughts? Negative thoughts are automatic mental responses that highlight danger, inadequacy, or pessimism. Examples include: I'm not good enough. Things will never work out. Everyone is against me. I'll probably fail. They can come in the form of worry about the future, regret about the past, or harsh self-criticism in the present. 1.2 Why do they happen? Evolutionary design. Our ancestors needed to constantly scan for threats. This negativity bias helped them survive, but it makes modern life stressful. Conditioning. Repeated experiences, trauma, or criticism can program your brain to expect failure or rejection. Habit loops. The more you think negatively, the easier it becomes. The brain builds pathways that strengthen those patterns. 1.3 The cost of negative thinking. Uncontrolled negative thoughts drain your energy, cause anxiety and depression, lower self-esteem, weaken your immune system, block success by creating self-sabotage. Clearly, mastering your mind isn't just about feeling better. It's about transforming your entire life. A quick mental reset is like hitting the refresh button on your computer. Instead of letting a negative loop take control for hours or days, you interrupt it immediately and shift into a more empowered state. The reset has 3 goals. Interrupt the negative loop. Shift your state, emotionally and physically. Replace the negativity with a constructive thought, belief, or focus. Done correctly, you can feel relief in seconds. Over time, these resets retrain your brain to default toward positivity and clarity. Point 3.1 The 5-second pattern interrupt. This method, popularized by Mel Robbins and used in cognitive psychology, is simple. As soon as you notice a negative thought, count backward from 5 to 1. The countdown interrupts the automatic loop. Immediately take a small positive action. Smile, stand tall, or reframe the thought. Example: I'm going to mess this up. 5-4-3-2-1. No, I've prepared. I can handle this. 3.2 The Name It to Tame It technique. When a negative thought appears, label it out loud or silently. This is anxiety. This is fear of rejection. This is self-doubt. By naming it, you separate yourself from the thought. You're no longer inside it, you're observing it. This simple step reduces its power by up to 50%. 3.3 Breathing Reset. 478 Technique. Negative thinking triggers the body's stress response. To calm it instantly, inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly for 8 seconds. Repeat 3 to 4 times. This not only clears mental fog but also sends a signal of safety to your nervous system. Wear a simple rubber band around your wrist. Whenever a negative thought pops up, gently snap the band. This creates a physical anchor, a reminder to break the pattern. Follow it with a replacement affirmation, such as, I choose peace. I am capable. I'm focusing on solutions. Close your eyes and imagine a giant red stop sign in your mind. Then replace the negative thought with a powerful visualization. See yourself succeeding. Imagine light washing over the thought, dissolving it. Picture a door closing on negativity and another opening to opportunity. The brain doesn't distinguish strongly between imagined experiences and reality, so visualization rewires your state immediately. Gratitude is scientifically proven to shut down negative thinking. As soon as a dark thought comes, list 3 things you are grateful for right now. Even small ones like, I have fresh air to breathe, or I have a phone that connects me to knowledge. Gratitude shifts your brain into abundance mode, blocking scarcity and fear. The fastest way to reset your mind is to change your body. Stand up tall, shoulders back. Take a brisk walk. Stretch your arms wide. Smile deliberately for 60 seconds. Tony Robbins often says, motion creates emotion. By shifting your posture, breath, and facial expression, you override the negative state. Stopping negativity is step 1. The next step is to install empowering thoughts so your brain has a healthier pattern to return to. Here are some powerful replacements. Instead of I can't do this, say I am learning and improving every day. Instead of nothing ever works out, say every challenge brings hidden opportunities. Instead of I'm not enough, say I am worthy and capable as I am. Write down your top 5 negative thoughts and create a direct positive counterstatement for each. Practice them during resets until they become automatic. The quick reset is powerful, but the goal is long-term mastery. Here are daily habits to rewire your brain. Morning priming. Begin your day with affirmations, deep breathing, or visualization. Mindfulness practice. Spend 10 minutes daily observing thoughts without judgment. This builds awareness and control. Positive input. Read uplifting books, listen to motivational podcasts, or surround yourself with optimistic people. Sleep and nutrition. A tired brain is more prone to negativity. Rest well and eat nourishing foods. Journaling. Each night, write down your wins and gratitudes. This rewires your subconscious focus. Scenario 1. Workplace stress. You think, I'm going to fail this presentation. Reset. 5-4-3-2-1. Stand tall. I've done my preparation. I choose confidence. Scenario 2. Relationship conflict. You think, they don't really care about me. Reset. Breathe 4-7-8. This is insecurity talking. Focus on gratitude for the good moments. Scenario 3. Late night overthinking. You think, what if I never achieve my goals? Reset. Visualization of stop sign.